BJP's meeting with the governor has yielded no positive results in terms of government formation in Jammu and Kashmir. Sources say that while back-channel talks are still on between the PDP and the BJP, their ideological differences has become a major bone of contention. Sources even say that even after BJP has climbed down from its earlier demands, the PDP continues to keep its cards close to its chest.
With an aggressive bid to form a government in the valley, this meeting of the BJP leaders with the J&K governor sparking off a speculation of a breakthrough in the valley deadlock.
Today, BJP legislators led by their party president Jugal Kishore Sharma met Governor N.N. Vohra here at Raj Bhavan and sought more time for forging alliance with prospective partners so that they can give stable government to the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
But after the meeting, which lasted for about half an hour, the BJP leaders emerging out of Raj Bhavan with a promise, but there was no alliance in sight.
इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस प्रक्रिया से गुजर रही है कि जम्मू कश्मीर में एक अच्छी सरकार बने और जम्मू कश्मीर में एक अच्छा गठबंधन हो जो 6 साल तक चल सके.
With time running out, the BJP admitted that it was inching closer to a tie-up with the PDP.
जब हम लोग बैठेंगे, बातचीत होगी, उसमें एक कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम भी बन सकते हैं, कोई मुद्दों पर चर्चा भी हो सकती है. ये गठबंधन में चलता है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी गठबंधन सरकारें कैसे चलानी है वो अच्छी तरह जानती है.
BJP seems to be content with the post of Deputy Chief Minister, but there are several other issues, like because PDP had been insisting upon the revocation of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, then there are the ideological differences like Article 370 which BJP had been talking about.
Even as the back-channel talks are on between the BJP and the PDP, the National Conference still hoping to woo Mufti's party.
Sort of a confusion now. The PDP quotes 55 numbers. The BJP state leadership says that those don't seem to be our numbers. When the central BJP leadership says that they are now looking at formal initiation of talks with the PDP. Nothing solid is emerging.
For now, the deadlock remains, and Mehbooba Mufti, who had invoked NDA's former Prime Minister Vajpayee yesterday, is only keeping the BJP guessing. Bureau Report, Times Now.